my name is Kenya Ahmed Yusuf. Today, I am going to share you about city animals. Many people live in city. Many kinds of animals live in city too. Raccoons live in city. They need food from just beans. Mice live in city. They eat food people throw away. Geese and ducks live in city. Geese and ducks swim in ponds in the park. Dogs,
they eat.
Geese and ducks eat the many things. Dogs live in city. Some people bring them in the park. Pigeons live in city. Some people like to feed pigeons. Squirrels live in city. Squirrels then make nest cheese. Hawks live in city. Then make nest
They make
nests on top buildings. They eat chicken and many different things. Others live in city. They should come out at night. Living countryside. Living in the countryside. The animals. So there are lots of animals. For example, cows, buffaloes eat grass on farms. Dogs, cats, geese and doves, pigeons and birds. Birds eat many things. Some birds eat worms. Some birds eat seeds and nuts.
and nuts.
Birds eat many different things, but like don't have.
They
They don't have teeth. How do you chew the fruit? I wonder. Goodbye, my friends. See you next time.